In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily navigate the Athleta website to check your orders and manage your account. Whether you're a frequent shopper or just need to track an order, I'll guide you through each step. First, let's start by opening your web browser. This could be any browser you're comfortable with, such as Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Once you're in your browser, type in the address bar and visit www.athleta.com. This will take you to Athleta's homepage where you'll see a variety of fitness apparel and collections waiting for you. Now that you're on the homepage, it's time to log in. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the sign in option. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Make sure you input the email address and password that you originally registered with your Athleta account. It's important to use the correct credentials to avoid any delays. If you've forgotten your password, most sites, including Athleta, offer a forgot password link to help you recover access to your account. After successfully signing in, the next thing you want to do is access your personal account settings. Look to the top right corner again, where you'll now see either your account name or an icon representing your account. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll select My Account, which will direct you to a personalized dashboard. Here you can manage different aspects of your shopping experience with Athleta. With your account page open, you can now navigate to your orders. This is often one of the main features people look for when they log into their accounts. Once you're in the My Account section, you should see an option related to orders. Clicking on this will bring up a comprehensive list of your past purchases. This feature is incredibly handy for tracking the status of recent orders or reviewing past purchases. On this page, you can typically view details such as order numbers, items purchased, delivery status, and expected arrival dates. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to accessing your Athleta account and viewing your orders online. Remember, whether you're checking the status of an order, managing your account information, or simply exploring new products, mastering this simple navigation can enhance your overall shopping experience. If you encounter any difficulties or have questions, Athleta's customer support team is always just a click away, ready to assist you with any concerns you might have. Thanks for joining me today and happy shopping!